Hello everyone, my name is Ariel Pozwowski, pre-sales engineer of Algo. Today we're going to quickly be talking about time settings in the range of Algo IP endpoints. It applies to all products, IP speakers, paging adapters, visual alerters, etc. It is a little bit more concerning when we are thinking of the 8301 IP paging adapter and scheduler, specifically because of the scheduling features on this product. We need to make sure, of course, that the system time is accurate, matching the local time zones and etc. All of our products support NTP, that stands for Network Time Protocol, right? So as the name implies, it's a protocol that ensures time is always in sync. It automatically adjusts based on daylight savings times, variations in times, etc. It should always be up to date. For the sake of the example, we are going to be using an 8301 IP paging adapter and scheduler. I'm going to dive into the web interface. Again, bear in mind this does apply to an Algo speaker as such here on my left side or any other model. On speakers, it applies primarily to logging purposes, so it's helpful in terms of troubleshooting. So it's still useful, but a little bit more concerning when we talk about the 8301 IP paging adapter. I'm logged into my 8301, as you can see. It is in default settings. I'm in the status tab. We're going to head right over to the advanced settings tab. And then there's a sub-tab called time, pretty self-explanatory. Here we are. It is in default settings. So a couple things to keep in mind. First of all, the default time zone is GMT. This needs to be adjusted. I'm in PST, so I'm going to go ahead and find that in here, open it all up, and I'm going to select US specific. Couple other things to keep in mind. NTP time server 1, 2, 3, 4. These are for redundancy. If the first one fails, there's a second, third, and fourth one. It is pre-populated with these here. They are public, hosted in the internet, free NTP servers. Perfectly fine to use as long as internet connection is available for the device, in this case my 8301, to reach out to that server out in the public internet. If for any reason your company uses a custom NTP server, you're more than welcome to come here and adjust the settings accordingly. You could enter an IP address, a domain name, whatever it is, and change the settings here. This is pretty much what's really most important about NTP. There's a couple other options, as you can see here, for syncing time with server with the browser. This is great for testing, but please don't really rely on it on a day-to-day operation. NTP is really the main way of making sure the time on the device is accurate. This concludes NTP and time settings within the line of Algo IP endpoints. For any questions or support, please contact the Algo team.